Today, we will be continuing our series of Battle Cats. Okay. So all I did was get more food. Literally all I did. Oh wait. So we are in India, and it looks like they have this weird thing. I have no idea what it is. No, we're risky. We're going to 100 already. We have 100 already, people. Look at him. His cat squad. So look, remember Sensei? Sensei. So he is the Sensei of this cat. Look, already dead. They have no idea the power we have. I think we're actually good at this squad right here. They seem to be doing work. Look, they're mowing the animals off the field. You know, they're perfect. Guys, let's make a rule for the rest of the series. We can't have Ninja Cat unless we have Sensei here. Sensei. And right after Sensei, you know, we have to have his best student of the students. His name is Ninja Cat. We're getting forced back here. No, Sensei got back. You know, we're waiting for that Titan cat now. Never mind. Come on, come on. Two boys and one boy. Hippo! Hippo's here! Oh, one of them has attack down. Did he make her attack down? Interesting. See, we have enough people right here, so we're just gonna wait for our Titan cat. We have never used them yet, so let's use them. Or we will have those two can do this. God, give us your power. We really needed power though. Nah. We hired a Ninja Cat before, so he's the only thing that can save us now. Sensei has died. So we are taking over. So they are helping reclaim their sensei spot. God, give us your power. Strike down these mere animals. Thank you. Oh, we're so close. 600 more than we have. Titan Cat. We just gotta see what he looks like. Probably he can hold him off for a long time, actually. Okay. One of those should do it. Come on, give me Titan Cat quick enough. Give me, come on, 100 more. Titan Cat is coming, people. Titan Cat is coming. He's here. Titan Cat. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Look at this pure muscles. It looks like he has a face on his stomach. Titan Cat. Oh, Hippopotami. Titan Cat. Hit us. Boom! Boom! Bam! You know, I think the Titan Cat can just hold it. He hasn't got hit back yet. Oh my gosh, he's destroyed that hippo. Let's. Holy crap, he does like... Dude, he does over 200 damage. Titan Cat is a beast. That's mission. Hashtag Titan Cat. Upgrade. Okay. Ready? We're going to Nepal. We're still in Europe, I believe. Europe or Asia. Still one of those. The battle begins. Dun 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 dun. Oh, they have a little castle with a thing with a like little ice place behind it. Cute. We got money faster. We're getting more risky by the time now. And I don't think we should be doing this, but still. We are the cats. This music doesn't just... This game isn't just good. The music is awesome. Yes. Sensei, we have called upon you to join us in this epic, awesome battle. Now come! Sensei Master! Sensei, 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 Sensei. It's Sensei. Dun, dun, dun. With his help of his noble friend, Ninja Cat. Dun, 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 dun. I think Ninja Cat's better than Sensei. Long legs. Remember long legs? We haven't seen this person in a while, so wait for it. Come on, hit. Shooting them noobs. Okay. We have summoned you. Alright, I know I'm using God a lot, but you know, he's pretty OP right now. Sit back and watch. Dun, dun. Oh, they are getting one shot to this awesome plan right here. Oh, no. Destroy. Fight. Unite. Destroy. Fight. Unite. Big piggies here. Here he comes, our cattle! Dun, da 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 da. The fastest character in the game. Already there. And he whips his head. Do we even need to try anymore? Yeah, we do, but still. Look at him! Whipping just a map, you know, and just destroying. You can't even hear the music because this is right now. Oh, we just summoned in Titian Cat and look, he's like, anybody need me? He's walking around with big chest face, I should say. Sumo. Samurai! This is the real Sensei, never mind. The other one was a fake. The bird. No, wrong thing. He is already beautiful. Squawk! That's what the bird's going to sound like in a minute. After he breaks. How much is the bird? The bird's a lot. You know, I like the bird. He looks cool. So, we were just in Nepal. Now we're in Dabua. 15 minutes? Okay. This will be our last fight. Let's see how brave this cat is. To fight up his own clan, his own people who have betrayed him. Sensei, lead us your power. For they have not known you aren't the real sensei, and you are the betrayer. But still, oh my! Cutting all them people in half. Look at him whip that sword everywhere. Now we wait for Titan Cat. Actually, no, we don't. We bring in him. This is the pepperoni master. Go. Like in their noobs like a boss. So we're in the city beach, seems like. I think we got this, guys. They have a penguin, a mad penguin. It's gonna take them a while to get to our base, so that should give us enough time for Titan Cat. Titan Cat, you're just as strong as God. Give us your hand and help us. I am a Titan God. Oh. So beastly. He even has his friends. The sensei has come to help him. The ninja. The long legs! The Titan Cat is unbeatable. His laser beam firepower! His cattle! His best one. Da-na-na-na-na. Let's do a wait for the bird. The bird is coming down. Oh. He's like one of these cats, but with no legs and wings instead. No! Titan Cat had a good battle. So we bring in a gun. Mad penguin, die! Cattle! People who own the cattle! Sensei! Ninjas! For revenge over the Pizza Titan. Attack them! Whip an aid! Whip. No. Rejoin each other. We kind of need you, God. No. We need this. Blow him back. No. Sadly, that doesn't kill anything, but it is helpful if you want to charge your people. Fire the bee! Oh, get one-shotted by that cattle. Ninjas. Hit that head. Okay. This is the toughest battle yet. So we bring in a gun. Oh, that cow. That cow might be the favorite. My favorite is cat so far. The cattle have united to join forces. The axe remember the axe person? I've never seen him in such a long time. He lost an eye. He lost an ear. And he got an axe. Guys, not only we are beast, we are super beast. The bird. Upgrade. Special. Let's see. Well, you know, Ninja Cat's getting upgraded. He's a big help. Next is Samurai Cat. You know, Cow Cat is getting upgraded because, you know, it's a cow. That's getting charged up easier. And see all you people. And remember, eat a pizza, have a nice day, and goodbye.